email that you were reading?
Yeah. I just saw the preview. I didn't read it.
Oh.
See all the snow out there, Kadelyn?
I can't see when it's not dark.
Such a
Okay,
mess.
thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Turn it off. Off, Granddaddy.
Well, I can't videotape you if it's off, Kadelyn.
Do it off.
Oh.
Take hand off.
Oh.
It doesn't know it's dark.
You can.
Yeah, come another video.
I don't have any other ones on here.
Touch ball.
We might be able to see some on the computer. I don't have any more on here yet.